na mag-istimo o maggamit of technology to make life and services better for our people.
Why run as independent, sir?
I'm running independent so that anybody who wants to join us, anyone who wants change, who wants chance, who wants choice, can join. Because if we run under any party or banner, it might isolate us, basing malanganin ang uban. As an independent candidate, then everyone is welcome to join.
Sir, basically you're saying that the services of the local government is lacking?
Can be improved. Can be improved. Ang dami pang pwedeng ma-improve. And we don't even need to look so far. We just have to look at what Makati is doing, Quezon City is doing, Taguig is doing, Valenzuela is doing. And we're Davao City. We are the premier city of the South. We're the premier city of Mindanao. How can we not catch up? Bakit hindi pa tayo sa level na ganyan? Na pwede naman, kaya naman. It's just that you just have to give it a chance. Kung gusto din nato, it's really up to us. Nasa tao, nasa katauhan, nasa inyong kamot. Kung gusto ninyo, I'm here, offering myself.
Sir, are you also saying na kulang suporta ng administration sa Davao City?
Like I said, we have to be open from the support from anyone. Abri dapat ang Davao to take in whatever help. Kaya hindi na to kaya na kita lang mag-inusara ani. It's not possible. Fixing the flooding cannot be done by Davao alone. We need the help. We need the help. Fixing the traffic problem, we need the help of everyone. Whatever help we can get, we need it for Davao. Mao na importante.